Surely we all love chocolate. Not only does it taste good, but it's also said that chocolate can lower cholesterol levels and prevent memory decline. Today we will take a look at the biggest chocolate company in the world that is owned by a family. It is Mars Incorporated, an American multinational company based in Virginia, United States. The company manufacture various confectionery, gum, candies, mints, also beverages, foodstuffs, and pet foods. Mars is known for its confectionery items such as Mars bars, Milky Bars, Skittles, Snickers, Twix, and many more. According to certified sources, Mars are the world's biggest purchaser of cocoa. From their wide range of products, currently M&M's are the biggest selling chocolate candy brand in the United States. The company has been entirely owned by the Mars family for over 100 years. Mars products are available in around 180 countries and accommodate over 130,000 employees worldwide. Mars started selling candy exclusively for American soldiers' rations during World War II, and now produce more than just gum and chocolates, as they've moved into the pet segment too. In 2007, the Mars brand bought Banfield Pet Hospital. Now Mars also owns pet food brands such as Pedigree and Whiskas. In 2014, the company brought up pet food brands Lambs, Natura and Eukanuba from Procter & Gamble, paying around $3 billion. Mars contains over 50 plus global pet brands, including Pedigree, Whiskas and Royal Canine. Did you know that over 3 million Mars bars are produced in the UK every day? But Snickers is the world's most popular chocolate bar, which was introduced to the world in 1930. But for over 60 years in the UK, they were known as Marathon bars, till they were rebranded to Snickers in 1990. Mars Wrigley is the world's leading manufacturer of chewing gum, chocolate and mints, as well as some fruity confections too. It includes brands such as Three Musketeers chocolate, Altoids mints, Amicelli, Ballisto, Big Red, Double Mint, Hubba Bubba and more. Big Red has been the #1 selling cinnamon chewing gum since 1987. Mars Double Mint chewing gum was introduced in 1914 and has become one of the best-selling gums, available in more than 140 countries. The Mars company has generated a revenue of $37 billion as of 2020. But do you prefer fruity candies or chocolate? Let us know your favourite brands and type in the comments. That's all for today. I hope you like this information. For more interesting videos, follow and subscribe now, and make sure to share it. Stay connected, be updated.